Welcome to another exciting day of English. I hope you all had a good weekend or whatever. I wanted to...
Boring! When do you stop talking and start dismissing us?
Anyway, I just wanted to say that I'm very disappointed in all of you.
Blah, blah, blah. Nobody cares. Why study a language we already know anyways? Am I right?
Dude, shut up.
A civil authority has issued a child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. All of Nevada. The Clark County Police Department is looking for Audrey Gonzalez. She is a 6-year-old black female with green eyes and a ponytail, last seen wearing a unicorn shirt. She was last seen around 2049 West Rose Coral Avenue. The suspect is Andrew Matthew Hernandez. He is a 25-year-old male weighing 130 pounds with green eyes, last seen wearing a green shirt. They may be traveling in a 2012 Subaru Legacy with Nevada license plate WXU 123. If you have any more information about this child, please contact 702-455-7532 or call 911.